consumption. I'm walking this way, going my lunch in peace. I'll put the front line. I'm sorry, sir, you got me.
They described you exactly.
No, they did not, because a guy holding a pink shirt with food.
5865.
I asked you to send it down up here so that didn't happen.
You know what, officer? You know what? Now you're a
saying his car keys are in Maxwell's car if he can get.
Yes, you are. You just caused me to drop my food
What kind of keys
and my pink shirt. I'm sorry. You know what, sir? You know what? I apologize. You got the wrong guy.
They're going to be Honda car keys on the front passenger's door side.
No, I did not. No, I did not. You got me confused. Did they say I had a pink shirt in my hand with food in my hand?
I already told you what they described as.
Wait, a blue shirt, a guy who struck me? No, you're joking.
It's literally on my computer right now.
Okay, good. Will you see that picture?
Sam was telling me to look at it.
No, because you're not obtaining me. Because you know what?
I'll let you keep it, but you're going to go with us, okay?
No, I'm not.
Joseph,
No, I'm not.
you can't have you pee in front of people downtown.
I'm not peeing in front of anybody.
You just did. Just put that down and go.
No, I'm going that way. Excuse me, sir. You got this? Sir, wait, you got the wrong person. I'm just eating. So I said a guy in a blue shirt with scruffy face. Did they tell you? Did they tell you I had a pink shirt in my arms? Because I was wearing that pink shirt and I'm eating. Wait, I was just in slow. Look, go ask them. I was in their line for about 30 minutes.
Go to my car.
No, sir.
I'll grab your stuff. Don't worry, I'll grab your stuff.
Please don't. Please don't do this.
I already explained to you, people are talking about you peeing and stuff.
No, I'm not peeing. I was just in their line for like 30 minutes. So, you know what? You got me confused.
I can smell the alcohol in it.
Wait, it's coming through my pores. Wait.
It's coming from
Check.
your mouth.
You know what? Breathalyze me.
You want to grab the bag?
Breathalyze me, please.
Face the car. Sit down.
Hey, you see this?
Face the car.
Breathalyze me then. Search me. I got no alcohol on me.
Probably because you drank it.
No, sir. You can't arrest me for alcohol peeing in public when I have no alcohol and my pants aren't around my ankle. I have no alcohol on me. Sir, please don't do this.
It's not the first time you and I have met when you were drunk in public. Remember over there on the bench?
You know what?
On the Como Street? From the Children's Museum? Remember?
You know what?
Officer Colette arrested you? Same thing?
You know what? You see this? Thank you. I guess what? How much I'll charge you?
Alright, that's fine.
Wait, I'm not drunk. I got no bottle on me, like you said.
You don't need to have it on you.
But they said I was drinking, pissing in public. Dude, now if I got pistons on my pants, how can I do that? I'm not that guy. I was just waiting in there for 30 minutes. You truly gonna do this?
It's already done. You're under arrest for public intoxication.
But I'm not. Breathalyze me. Let me do a field sobriety.
So we can't have you pee in front of people.
Wait, give me a breathalyzer.
Have a seat, Joseph.
What?
Prove it. Prove it.
One of those frauditor guys?
Joseph, stop.
Are you an asshole?
Before you guys hurt me,
Prick.
prove that I'm guilty. I did not pee.
Put your feet in the car.
You know what?
Put your feet in the car.
Sorry, sir. You know what? You're arresting me for no fucking reason. And he sees this.
Stand 6 will
You
be
know
on
what?
the unit
Breathalyze me.
Sandy
I was just walking down the street eating my sandwich. And you're out.
Little prick.
You're joking.
Hey, watch your nose.
No.
Do that. Just peeing in front of people and their kids out there. Can you throw away all that stuff? if the bottle's not like a throwaway, you just keep it. We'll bring it with them.
Hey, you can just take care of this. I'll
453,
get
it's going to be 10-15 breath.
10-4.
That guy on the bike asked if I was a frauditor. Just like the stupid lady at the courthouse. Fucking idiot.
I'm in Route 19 for free.
10-4.
There they go.
See you at the next one.
Yep.